We'll read a story, during story time, and then the dads can, go in the library children's section and find a book for their child to read. And if the kid's old enough, they get to pick out the book, themselves. So, and then after that, that's where the brotherhood component comes in during the library link up at the end. Dad's talking about life. One of our favorite sayings is, it's one thing to have men in your circle, it's another to have men in your corner. And like in this community, we got dads, who are committed to being in each other's corner and giving each other advice, pushing each other, encouraging each other. So, it's a wonderful, wonderful community.